Hi and welcome to my channel. In order to avoid the Genshin fatigue, I decided to make something completely different today. The base for the medallion is very simple. Just follow the video and you should make it in less than 5 minutes. Remember that you should add some water to glue those parts together. Take a tool similar to mine and add some dents to the surface. It will give it a nice look. Be careful when cutting out the shape. Make sure nothing breaks off. Now let's move on to the cutting and smoothing. This part is very time consuming, so just take your time and everything should be fine. I messed up a little bit with the fangs. Be sure not to break them as they are small and fragile. I decided to keep the shape of the head from the original, but to me it looks way too small and simple. I want to make my version of the wolf way more significant and aggressive. That is why it is much bigger. I used my well-tested and shiny metallic silver paint. Nothing can beat nice acrylic paint. And in order to highlight the aggressive factor, we need a tiny bit of red paint to highlight the eye. My metallic copper paint should do the job just fine. Please consider subscribing to the channel if I earned it today. Shares, likes and comments help as well, showing that my videos are worth something. And competing against huge channels with millions of views is kind of hard. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon!